everyone, thanks for joining me. I am here with my Deluxe City Hydro microgreen growing kit that I got a couple weeks ago in the mail, and I have been growing them since I got them. So these are 10 days old microgreens and they are ready to eat. I may have them for dinner tonight. And it's been a super fun experience. It's nice for people who live in a cold climate like I do, that we can kind of grow our food all year around. It's quick, you can do it indoors, and I know I'm gonna love it. It's starting to become spring now, as you can see all my starter plants in the back, but I know come winter, when the plants are done outside, I'm gonna be happy to have this inside. So when I first got this, it came to my door, nothing was missing, and everything was intact, nothing was broken, and it was ready to grow that day. I started growing the next day. So I'll go over some of the stuff that came, I'll go over everything that came in the kit, but I'll show you this real quick. These are 10-day-old microgreens. There's all the roots, which is pretty cool. I'm making a mess. And yeah, so they are grown on this coconut fiber that makes it so you don't need any soil, which is super awesome and mess-free. Okay, so going straight into what I got in the Deluxe kit. So there are two kits, home kits on the website for like small kits like this. And the first one is just a starter one. It has one tray. This one came with two, and I opted for the one with two because I have a large family and need more greens to feed them. So this is the Deluxe kit, and it was $195, and the kit with one tray is $170. Again, I think personally it's worth it because you can grow your food all year around, but also you don't have to kind of jump around trying to find all of the components in this kit throughout the internet. It just all together to your door. So what I'm going to go over first is just the pamphlets that came with it. So this is just eating for nutritional density. And then this one is how to differentiate between mold and root hairs, because those root hairs are hairy and they kind of look like mold. So those, and then there is the information on how to grow. So a step-by-step instructions on how to grow your microgreens, which were well written and very straightforward, which were wonderful. And this is my first time growing and I've had success, so they're easy. And then it comes with what you get in your grow kit and how to assemble it. So I'm just going to read off of this what comes in your grow kit. And this grow kit came with these two I keep wanting to say dough trays because I have worked in multiple pizza restaurants, so this is what you proof dough in. Obviously works great with growing microgreens, but if I say dough tray, then that's why. So these dough trays, and it came with two dough trays and then a lid for when the seeds are germinating. You pop it on there like that. All super high quality food grade plastic. Very happy with the quality of these trays. And then it came with a wire shelving right here, which was fine, works great. Nothing super special, but obviously gets the job done. A power supply. I have two little girls here. Okay, I'll be right there, okay? I have a power supply, which I am not using. This is a timer, so for the light that goes over your microgreens, they have a timer to make it easier so you don't have to turn on and off your light. Obviously you should be checking your microgreens multiple times a day, but if you didn't want to fuss with the light, this would be good. I'm using this for something else I'm growing, but it would be handy if you only got one tray. But since I am growing 2 trays at a time, the light always stays on, and I'm just switching the trays. Oops. So I'm just switching them, some light, some dark, and so again, the light never goes off at my house. The power supply, and then this is the LED grow light that hangs above right here on your tray and gives your greens some light. And then the spray bottle. This is a really nice spray bottle. When I first got it though, I was pumping away on this thing and I could not get it to prime. So I thought it was broken. And I was like, God dang it. And then Nicholas was like, no. And he got it going. But man, it took a lot of priming. So just know, maybe yours will be different, but keep going on it. It's probably not broken. It just needs a good pumping. Okay. A pH test strips it came with. It will tell you how to use those, what pH your microgreens like, and how to adjust your water if it's a bit off. A pipette, which I have not used. I'm assuming that this is for testing your water, to just take a drop and put it on your test strip. I haven't used it though. It did come in the kit. A 100 milliliter cup. So you don't need this cup starting off, but when you buy your own seeds, to measure 1 ounce goes over 4 pads. So when you get a big bulk thing of seeds, this will come in handy. But as of right now, it comes with 2 packets of seeds, 1 broccoli and 1 kale, both 1 ounce. So one of these packets is 1 tray, makes 1 tray. So again, you won't need this until you buy your own seeds later on. And then 2 bundles of a 4-pack of coconut fiber. This will be your medium that you grow on. They smell weird, but hold on. They smell weird, but they don't have anything weird on them. I think it's just I think guar gum, like some kind of natural adhesive bean gum and coconut fiber. So you soak them, and then this is what you grow on. So it's really mess free, which is nice. And right now they are having a special that whoever, I'm not sure. I don't think there's a limit to, like, you have to buy a certain limit. With every order, they throw in 4 extra grow pads and 2 ounces of seeds. So that is great. So I got extra ones of those. And the LED lamp holders. So these are like shower curtain holders, but they work great for this. You just slide your LED light into these, and 2 of those. And then finally our 2 hydro spacers is what they call them. And that is these plastic spacers right here that separate your little seeds, your cocoa pad, from the water underneath, so they don't get soggy, swampy, and moldy. And so 1 for each tray. And that is what came with the kit, and that's really all you need to grow these microgreens. These are 10 days old and they're ready to eat. It's it's magic. And this is my first harvest with this system. So obviously, pretty foolproof and fun to grow. Because kids will have a lot of fun growing them, because you can see every day progression in them getting bigger and bigger. So I highly recommend this grow kit. I think it's great. Everything was super high quality, and obviously super easy to grow. So if you're interested in the City Hydro home kit, you can hop on over to their website and pick one up of your own. Again, cold climate dwellers, it's definitely a good investment. So that is all for today, I think. And if you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thanks.